In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert crypto on the Coinbase app, whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or simply want to swap one cryptocurrency for another. Coinbase makes the process straightforward and secure. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step comprehensively so you can exchange your cryptocurrency with confidence. First, you'll want to open the Coinbase app on your mobile device. If you're a newcomer and haven't installed the app yet, you can easily find it in the App Store if you're using an iPhone or in the Play Store if you're on an Android device. Once the app is installed, sign in with your credentials. If you're new to Coinbase, the app will walk you through the sign-up process, which involves setting up your account and ensuring your information is securely stored. Now that you're signed in, you'll need to locate and tap the buy and sell option on the app's main screen. This feature allows you not only to purchase new cryptocurrencies, but also to manage the ones you already hold. After that, you'll see an option to convert. Go ahead and tap on this to bring up the conversion screen. This feature is incredibly helpful when you want to exchange a certain amount of one cryptocurrency for another instead of making a new purchase. When the conversion screen appears, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to convert. Make sure you have enough balance in the currency you're looking to convert so that the transaction can go through without any hitches. It's also a good idea to double-check current market rates to ensure you're getting a fair exchange for your cryptocurrencies. Next, you'll see two fields labeled From and To. In the From section, select the cryptocurrency you wish to convert. This might be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported currency currently in your portfolio. In the To section, you'll select the cryptocurrency you want to receive in exchange. Again, ensure both cryptocurrencies are supported by Coinbase for this transaction to proceed smoothly. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and click Review Order. This step is crucial as it allows you to double-check all the information before committing to the exchange. Review the conversion rate, transaction fees, and the net amount you will receive. Finally, if everything looks good and you're satisfied with the details, you'll want to click Confirm Order. This final step completes the process and you'll receive an acknowledgement from Coinbase indicating that your conversion is successful. The newly exchanged cryptocurrency should now reflect in your wallet within the app. Congratulations, you've just converted cryptocurrency using the Coinbase app. Make sure to keep track of your transactions within the app to stay updated on your investments. If you have any questions or need further assistance, checking Coinbase's support options can be quite helpful. Happy trading.